Hey! Today I'm going to tell you everything you need to know about the Folifort supplement. You will understand all the benefits, how to take it, and if this product is really for you. If you have hair loss, pay attention to this video. Before that, I would like you to pay attention to this alert that I will give you. Folifort is only sold on the official website that is below in the description of this video. Be careful with this, because there are places that are promoting this supplement, but they are not reliable sources. To help you, I left the link to the official website here below in the description of this video. Folifort has proven results that help strengthen your hair from the root. You will get the necessary nutrients that will strengthen and help your hair grow. No matter your age, Folifort is a natural and complete supplement with very important vitamins and minerals that will support hair growth. It has been tested on people of various ages, and its formula has proven to be effective regardless of age. The ideal is to take it for 3 to 6 months, because this is an efficient treatment to regenerate your hair strands in a healthy way. Just take 2 capsules every day after eating your evening meal with a glass of water. If your experience isn't 100% satisfactory, you're protected by our special 60-day money-back guarantee. One more nice thing is if you are in the US or Canada, you can expect your order to ship within 5 to 7 business days. International orders can take 8 to 15 business days. I hope it helped you.